Hey guys, welcome back to Reviews and How-Tos. I am Tyler. I'm going to quickly go over Creator Connections with you guys. I get lots of questions about it. I see lots of questions about it. So that's what we're going to be doing today, diving deep into exactly how Creator Connections works for you, for those of you that are new to it. First off, my name's Tyler, aka Reviews and How-Tos. I'm an Amazon influencer, affiliate, all that fun jazz. Have a YouTube channel. Obviously, you're on it. And yeah, primarily on this channel, I put my shoppable videos, some how-to type videos, and some information in regards to the Amazon Influencer Associates program. So first thing that you need to do is be on your Associate Central, which you get to there by going to affiliate-program.amazon.com. And then the rest of this is just special stuff. You don't really need it. And then over here, your store ID needs to be set to your regular store ID, not your on Amazon store ID, which will give you access to the promotions tab. And if you are in Creator Connections, which hopefully you are if you're watching this video, if you're not, oh, good luck trying to figure out how the heck to get into it. I think it's just random. You get an invite to it. But yeah, Creator Connections, you're going to click it, and then it's going to take you to Creator Connections, which is boom right here. Now, you're going to see a lot of stuff blurred out because I can't share a whole bunch of stuff to the public. I can only share it, well, I can't share anything technically, but yeah, you're gonna see it all blurred out. So yeah, that's why you're seeing things blurred out. Mainly those are, numbers and commissions, things like that, stuff that is not owed to the public. But yeah, this is Creator Connections right here. The first thing you're going to do is go to your profile and set it up. You're going to put your creator name in here, whatever that happens to be. A little bit of introduction, about yourself to the brands that will be looking at you, even though 99.9% of them never look at this page if they even have access to it or whatever. Still, I've filled mine out, but whenever you message them, they ask you for like all this information again, even though I would think they would have access to it. You're going to put your primary website right here, which if you don't have a primary website, you can put your storefront there, or your primary social right there. It says that right there. I have a website though. If you want to visit it and laugh at me trying to make a website, go ahead and do that. Your Facebook page, Twitter, YouTube, Instagram, and your URL for your media kit. If you're not familiar with what a media kit is for influencers, affiliates, stuff like that, just to market to themselves, to brands, to let brands know, hey, this is me, this is what I do, this is my niche, these are the amount of followers I have, and these are the prices that I charge to post your content on my website or my socials, yada, yada, yada. Just, basically, it's a place that you can sell yourself. I think you can create one of those for free on like Canva, stuff like that. Scrolling down here, your interests, you're going to select the stuff that you're interested in. You can only select up to 20 of them. I only have 6 selected, and I'll show you why I only have 6 selected here in a second. But yeah, just select the main things that you're interested in. If you select 20, you can do that, but I would highly suggest only selecting like 5 to 10 of like the top things that you're interested in. And that is because whenever you come to Creator Connections and you look at the campaigns, even though I only had 6 selected, there are still 10,000 campaigns available. It maxes out at 10,000. So if you select 20, it's going to give you like the ones that are just started or just ending, or however you can sort it by, which these sort features kind of suck. They're really bad. But yeah, like I said, only select the ones that you're like really, really interested in. Otherwise, you're going to get a whole bunch of duplicates and flooded by things that you might not be interested in. Focus on the things that you really want to create content about. So yeah, scrolling down, I'll go ahead and click into one of these to try and give you guys, tips on how everything works in regards to selecting a campaign. So we'll just select this one right here. This one here are from some new yoga cards. That sounds like something that I absolutely would not be interested in, but yeah, we'll go over it and show it to you guys. So it gives you the campaign brief. You just read through this, make sure you can meet all those benchmarks, things like that, and then you'll go down here and then you'll see the product or products that are available. Sometimes they'll be it'll have like a little thing listed here for like variants, and then sometimes they'll have like 20 different products listed also. So just be on the lookout for those. and then you can click into them, and of course, learn a little bit more about the product itself. You can order the product from here if you would like to, or you can request a sample from these guys. Even though down here it says no samples will be provided, you can always message the brand. And what I do whenever I message them, I just have a template that's set up right here. It says, hello, I'm interested in creating a YouTube video review and an Amazon influencer shoppable video for your product. I just have products capitalized so I can double click it, and then I can copy and paste the name of the product over that. And then same thing with the ASIN number. I can copy and paste the ASIN number so that they know what product I'm talking about. And then I say, if you're interested in collaborating, I would be happy to feature your product on my socials. You can view my socials and website right here. Then you can list your websites and stuff, even though 75% of the time they're going to come back and say, hey, what's your social? I'll be like, dude, I just sent it to you. Seriously, it's a pain. I think it's due to a language barrier. A lot of these guys you're going to be contacting are overseas, China, things like that. But yeah, so just know that. And then also, speaking of that, whenever you get responses from these guys, it's going to be at like 2 a.m. in the morning just because of the time difference. And it's going to be on like a Sunday through Thursday type work week, because obviously Friday and Saturday is their weekend, because that's Saturday and Sunday for them. Big time difference. That's if you're here in the US watching this video. If you're overseas, that's going to be a little bit different for you. But yeah, so once you have this and you have all the information, you send it to them, like I said, via this message, and then hopefully you get a response back, you know, within 48 hours or so. Sometimes you will, sometimes you won't. But yeah, just go ahead and try that. I get tons of products, as I'll show you here now. The stuff that I have accepted, I've got pages of them. I got 66 right now. I'm not going to scroll through all of them because then I have to blur out a whole bunch more, which would make it harder for me to get this video created for you guys. But I will show you what you do. Got a new video that I just created. It's for these pans right here. Just created a video for these pans. So after you have your content created, whether that be a video, a blog post, a social media post, whatever, what you're going to do is go to your post, wherever that happens to be, and you're going to get the link for it. For me, it's this video right here for these pans. So I'm going to copy the link right there, copy link, and then I'm going to go back to the campaign, and all you have to do is paste the link to your content right there. Now, for Amazon, you don't need all this extra stuff after the question mark and including the question mark. So I always just delete that to make it a nice and pretty looking URL. And then you'll select the content type over here, which for this one, it's just video. They don't have Amazon influencer video or anything like that. So just video is what we'll select. And then they have a whole bunch of other things that you can select. Email, social media posts, Facebook posts, TikTok, YouTube, everything. And then you submit it. And that's pretty much it. That's how you finish up that campaign. And then they're going to start paying you. Now, you don't necessarily have to have the video posted and stuff before accepting that campaign. You can accept it. And then you could post the video on the last day of that campaign if you wanted to, which I wouldn't suggest that because then you're not going to drive too many sales. But if somehow, for some reason, somebody got a hold of one of your links and bought something and it was credited to your account, you would get the additional commission for that. But that's just probably not going to happen. But yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how Creator Connections works. And then if you want to keep tabs on, how much money you're making and everything, you just go to, this little thing popped up because I was in here adding links and stuff. But if you see this means you have like less than 3 to 5 days to add a link to a campaign. So it's just kind of giving you a heads up saying, hey, add it, or you could get in trouble and kicked out of the program. I think it's like a 3-strike type or 3 strikes. If you don't submit content, they can kick you out of Creator Connections, which wouldn't be cool because you can make a ton of extra money with this portion of the Associates program. But yeah, what was I talking about? I went off on like a little tangent right there. Oh yeah, we wanted to look at earnings. So we'll back up here really quick. And then I did that sort of fast. I'll slow down so you guys can see it. All right, so you click this right here, see more, and this will give you information about the reporting. And then you can scroll down and you can see the campaign title, how many clicks, how many shipped items, the revenue, commission rate, and how much money you've made. And then that total will be right up here. That's blurred out. You guys can't see it because it's private information. But yeah, that's it. That's pretty much everything about Creator Connections. Clear as mud, right? All you have to do is all that stuff. But yeah, if you guys have any questions, feel free to drop them down there in the comments. I'm on social media, YouTube, like all the time, 24/7, posting stuff or something. But yeah, appreciate the likes. The subscribe to the channel would be nice. It's always good. And like I said, I'm always, posting cool little tidbits about the influencer program. And then you can creep on my videos too and try and learn from the pro. I wish. I barely make any money with this program, even though I have tons of videos up. But yeah, thanks for stopping by, you guys. We'll see you next time here on Reviews and How-Tos.